Sanibona bafethu uvane sports lo namhlanje sokhuluma ngale indaba lezi ezingekho mnandi yabo indaba esizwe namhlanje ezikhishwe iOrlando Pirates club statement ikhiphile namhlanje ade ke mina ngazizwa le indaba lezi angifuni ukube ngazothi uvane sports afuna unishare le indaba yes le indaba lezi ade ngazazi ngokuthi ucoach Jose Rivero ngenzeka eshi Orlando Pirates mekuphela isizini but ke angifunanga ukuyidalula kuma fans ukuthi ama fans awarishe ukuthi uJose uyahamba mekuphela isizini bengingazi Orlando Pirates izosikhipha eli kanje le statement bengitsho ukuthi mhlambe bazosisho le statement isizini isizophela or isizini isiphelile mase ke si-introduce ucoach omusha so iOrlando Pirates lana bafethu ikhiphe istatement i-club statement of the on the future of the head coach yabo basikhiphile ke la i-club statement kulabo bebengakayifundi ngizozama ukunifundela yabo kwabayifundile ke mebethanda ukuhlala evideni bangahlala bayibuka ivideo but ke le indaba lezi angifuqa manje sikho mnandi uJose Rivero wafika kuOrlando Pirates ngo-2022 and indonda sesinikeze zona injabulo sesinikeze yona eOrlando Pirates iningi kakhulu yabo iningi kakhulu so I'll try and read the statement like so Orlando Pirates Football Club can reveal that Jose Rivero will be stepping down from his position as the head coach at the end of the season. Jose Rivero has informed management of his decision not to renew his contract beyond its current term. The Spanish mentor contract is due to expire at the end of the current campaign. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-contract yakhe ingenzeka iphele at the end of the season. Besingazi ukuthi Jose Rivero ngeke aze renew i-contract. Thina ngokuthi besitsho ukuthi umjida uzokwazi ukurenew i-contract because we saw the documentary. Maybe the documentary leyaDipumile was a farewell documentary. You never know, but it looks like it was a farewell documentary. Indlela izinto sezenza ngakhona right now. So alana his professionalism and commitment to the club's best interest prompted a timely announcement ensuring business as usual for the remainder of the season, while simultaneously creating an opportunity for the club to prepare for the future. Kuthiwa okwamanje usayisiza team ukuthi iwine lama current competitions esakubona because sikwi-CAF Champions League, Nedbank futhi silwela nayo league in accordance with the coach's wishes the club will refrain from making detailed pronouncement at this time, reserving comprehension tributes for some appropriate occasion while we will live isigisi right now angikho right bafethu ningixolele emoyeni angikho right. Why would have liked Jose to extend his stay with us. At the same time, we fully respect his decision. We are grateful for everything he has done for the club, stated by Chairman or Ivan Khoza, about Dr. Ivan Khoza. We would have liked to renew a contract with Jose Rivero, even though angafunanga renew a contract yakhe, which is understandable. Ucoach angafunanga renew a contract, as the achievements of the intervening years speak for themselves. The joy that Jose Rivero and his support staff have brought to this club will never be forgotten. The club's immediate priority will be twofold. Firstly, in keeping with his wishes, we will find the appropriate time to fully express our appreciation of Jose and his contribution to the club. But secondly, for the football department to begin with extensive exercise of finding a suitable replacement ahead of 2025-2026 season. We appreciate the 3 years of service that Jose Rivero has given this institution and fully support his decision wherever his journey takes him. He must know that Orlando Pirates ifamily yakhe kumele ukuthi Orlando Pirates ifamily yakhe and we will always be behind him due to the club's involvement in crucial competition. Further news on this matter will be addressed at the end of the season. For the next 2 months, the club appeals to the supporters to fully support the coach and his team. Updates on any significant development will be communicated due course. Ngixoliseke mengabu pronounce kahle amagama lapha angifuqa manje ngikho happy but ke isona statement lesesikhishwe iclub bafethu. Jose Rivero is leaving the club at the end of the season. Jose Riveiro is leaving the club at the end of the season. He is leaving the club. Uyahamba. Yabo. Uyahamba. Bekunamahim kuthiwa iMorocco ifuna ukum-appoint as their new head coach. Muwazi uJose Rivera uhlala le eSpain, so uzobe close nomndeni wakhe. Yabo menikhumbula kahle, Jose Rivera wayefuna ukuhamba abuyele le because umisa umndeni wakhe unomntwana omncane. Yabona umntwana omncane asathanda kumthola. So ukuhlala engamboni lo mntwana lo kuyamstressa kakhulu, and ukuletha umndeni wakhe la uzofunda enye language. Yabo it's a different environment la South Africa kufana nale Spain. So eSpain ngcono uhlale khona umndeni wakhe. So masubheka eMorocco neSpain basondelene, those countries are close to each other, even though those are two different continents, Europe neAfrica. But masucheck kwi-map, Europe, Spain neMorocco yabo ama-country close. So bengitshela ukuthi mhlambe angawuthatha lo msebenzi. Naku-ke uMickey, even though I don't trust uMickey, but-ke uMickey upostile la kuthiwa Jose Rivera will leave Orlando Pirates at the end of the season. Yabo he has been approached by a club from Saudi but told them to wait until the end of the season to decide. So ama-talks lawa enzeke ngoFebruary 2022. Yabo ama-talks aqale ngoFebruary last month, and no that month because right now April. Yabo kuthiwa ngenzeka eSaudi. Sike sazi ukuthi yiphi leyo club engamsayini eSaudi, but-ke yabo izona-ke indaba engizwa nazo bafethu right now. Ngeke ngazi ngokwenu ukuthi umuphi ucoach Orlando Pirates engazama ukumlanda right now. Imuphi ucoach esingamlanda? Imuphi? Asazi ngempela, but-ke izona indaba even though ngekho right, but bafethu ngangitshela ama-comments ngokwenu. Yabo ngangitshela ama-comments ngokwenu ukuthi nizizwa kanjani le indaba lezi Jose uthi uyahamba. I'm sure ama-opposing fans ajabulile right now. Ama-fans eSundowns, ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs, they are happy. Ajabule kabi phela uyahamba uJose. Jose Rivera was the only coach owayenza lama-supporters lawa uthi azizonda. Yabo wafika ku-Orlando Pirates sibheda madoda. Wafika sibheda. Right now sile ku top 10 wama-clubs answembula eAfrica, Orlando Pirates. Yabo mase siyiwini iChampions League ngenzeka siyodlala kwi-Club World Cup lezo landela, not this one ezodlala iSundowns. Yabo so kuningi uJose Rivera sasinikeze kona bafethu. I so wish Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukuthi iwini iChampions League, so khona sokwazi ukumbonga. Yabo khona sokwazi nje ukumbonga le Champions League le noma le league le siye sinikezene ucoach. Yabo just to appreciate into aseyenze asesenzele kona kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo ngiyabonga supporting ngiyayo nabafethu. Angikho happy ngale indaba engisathanda kuzizwa. Yabo uVane Sports lo ungakhohlwa usubscribe, scroll channel sesofika 10k. Yabo that's a milestone right there. Ngiyabonga bafethu for uxhaso eningiyalona.